bass review.
Alright,
On my
I'm
channel.
just posting these pedals that just came through. Alright, here they are. Placement. And for the truck. Alright guys, we have our Jenks pedals that just came in. Got our gas pedal.
6, 7,
This one.
8, 9. 9
Brake pedal.
plus 5 equals to 14.
There.
So what's the number right here?
And
9. Put it in
emergency brake cable. Alright. And these will slide in easily.
there. So right here.
No instructions.
What is 14 minus
These should be
5?
dipped in hot soapy water
14 take away 5. No.
to
Remember
prepare
you
for
drew
install.
this? 14.
Alright, here we go guys. Here's some tools that we might need when we're installing our pedals. Alright. Gas, our brake, and our e-brake. Alright. Got a flathead screwdriver. Got some pliers and a Swiss Army knife. And a rag. Alright, so these should come off pretty easily. Yeah. Versus the new install. Alright. Alright, there's the old one. Okay. Little comparison. Old, new. Alright. This one actually looks a little bit smaller. We'll open it up. And this one actually goes right over the stock pedal. Alright. And you can see where that one goes in. Just to calm that down for a minute. Alright. There it is. It's coming off. Alright. Alright, there's the old one. Alright. Pry it off with the flathead. Alright. And then, like I said, this one just goes right over the stock one. Alright. Alright, we are all done here. There's the outcome of the pedals. All right, e-brake, brake, gas pedal, not bad. All right, I will say though, on the gas pedal, for these, you might want to bend the aluminum out on the bottom corner before you install it. But these just slip on just like that, and they don't look too bad. Not bad at all. All right. And that's my video, guys. Make sure to press like and subscribe on my video. Thank you.